Alright guys, so I have got my headlights on. So now I can see them there. So I'm still trying to figure out whether I should use these holes or the inside ones. I think they are outside ones because they are aligning well. So carefully, very carefully, I'll hold the water block and try to screw it. I think it's a bit difficult. I'll probably have to give more padding in the bottom because it's very low, the plate, or maybe I'll have to hold it. Oh, let me just fold this thing. Like this. This should be better. Now I can start screwing. Okay, one thread. Two thread. Yeah, so this is better. We'll do it here and here. So now that the plate is secure, I'll start tightening it one at a time. So it looks okay. First one, second one, always do it across. Of course, you must be aware. I hope I do not scratch anything. No. Third one and the fourth one. Fourth one I tightened out. I'll do the same thing here. Of course, I can use a screwdriver as well, but I would like to be careful. So I'm doing it by hand. This is the last one. So not so difficult in the end. So I think it's sufficiently tight. I do have a feeling that it's too tight here, so we're losing a bit here. It's completely tight now. So good. So for AM4 socket, it's the outer holes which we need to use. Okay, so it's done now. All right, so now I need to see how do I use this water block. So I'll try to install it here like this. So let me align the holes and see which screws to use. Otherwise I can probably keep it like this as well for now and test it. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. This is how I have installed the Corsair H45 module quite clumsily as a naive. Now the last step, I just plug the fan modules. I think it's good that the length of these ones are good, so I can keep it, simply parked here on the cabinet, on top of the cabinet, and still install it. Now says PF to 125 degrees centigrade. I don't know what does it mean, but these 3 fan things should go into the CPU fan thing. Hopefully this is the right way. Okay, and the 4-pin ones. Quickly focus it. Okay, the 4-pin ones. Hopefully this is also big enough. I think this is for the water pump, or maybe this 3-pin is for pump. I'll have to check. So I don't have sufficient length of this 4-pin cable. So no. So let me try this way. Put the 3-pin one into the motherboard socket, and I think this is the fan module. Unfortunately, Corsair documentation is not so clear, so I'll have to do some trial and error, or maybe search the internet. But it looks like I can do it this way. Still not sufficient clearance. Most probably this is the fan thing, CPU fan, and the second one is the 3-pin one is for the pump, which I've installed into the motherboard's power socket. Hopefully they will work. Where do I put it? Let's do it this way. I'll just put it on top of the can get scratched, but I'm left with no other option. I don't know where to put it. Maybe like this I can definitely do, on top of the cabinet, like this. Okay, I'll have to check, because this fan or whatever connector it is, I think it is a fan connector. I don't think I have a way to get it passed from elsewhere. Let me try. I'll be able to move it. I have to record these videos in multiple parts, because after 10 minutes my phone splits the files. So okay, I think this is a fan connector, and I don't really see any other way around. Maybe I can do it this way. Okay, so this way I can keep it. Pose it. I'll probably do it like this. Take out the connector and connect from here. And maybe put it like this for the time being. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and please share these videos if you find them useful. I know these are quite clumsy. I'll be editing these videos to make them more professional, but as of now I really don't have time, so I prefer uploading it this way. Please forgive me, and have a very good day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.